Hi guys, how are you doing? So this is Ekta and welcome to the Pasta House kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make pasta with Punjabi tadka. It's filled with unique flavors and it will be totally one pot meal. Let me take you the ingredients. So the ingredients that you will need are not very many. So this is a mixture of onion and tomato puree. Your choice of pasta. This is some additional cream. And these are a couple of spices that I'm going to use and a mixture of mixed veggies. So you need to take one pan, and in that I've already added some olive oil, and the key thing here is to put the olive oil and garlic pods at the same time, because this will help us to get very good flavors out of the garlic. So the next step is to just add the tomato and onion puree into the boiling oil and just saute it for a couple of minutes. So when the curry starts boiling, all you need to do is put in all the masalas that you have that makes a perfect Punjabi tadka. So I have added some garam masala, some homemade masala, kasuri methi and some amchur powder. So these masalas will be a little flavorful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little cream to balance all the flavors. So now add in a cup of water. Let it simmer for a bit. Now add in a cup of pasta. You'll have to cook the pasta for 8 minutes if you want it al dente. Meanwhile, you can add some seasonings, that is salt and black pepper. You literally need to babysit this pasta because it might stick to the bottom. Keep stirring them occasionally and do check for seasoning again. I've also added a little sugar to balance the flavors. So I tasted the pasta. It was lacking some sugar. I added some sugar to basically cut more acidity of the tomatoes, and it was a little less spicy. So I have added some chili powder. Keep stirring it occasionally so that the pasta does not stick to the bottom. So I like all my pastas to be saucy, so according to that I've added more cream. So I've added the corn right now. Add the rest of the veggies and cook till the pasta is al dente. This is turning out to be a very good dish, guys. So my pasta is almost cooked, and this is a very great dish. To put it up in a couple of minutes, you will need hardly any ingredients, and you will have all the ingredients on hand. And it's a great dish to put on a weekend, something like if you're craving for something, for a fusion dish and you don't want to go out, it's better to just cook at home. My mouth is actually salivating. The flavors, oh my god, it smells amazing right now. So my pasta is ready. I'm going to plate it up and show you the end product. So I've kept the plating quite simple. I've garnished it with some kasuri methi and topped it up with some fresh coriander leaves. So that it literally took me just 15 minutes to put this dish together. That is only if you have all the ingredients in hand. And thank you for putting up with my scary voice. So basically thing is that this is my favorite creation so far. I love Punjabi food and I always wanted to mix it with some Italian food, and what else than making pasta with Punjabi tadka. This has become quite an instant hit with my friends and family members. Do try it and let me know how it comes out. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know what other dish you want me to cook. Okay, bye.